Hi, this is Firestarter and this is my review of another Tamashii web exclusive. This is the SH Figuarts Kamen Rider Nadeshiko from the movie Megamax, Fourze and Fourze. And this is the brown box that came with any exclusive that you have received from your dealer. Sometimes they just take this one away, throw it away, and then give you this wonderful looking box. I didn't realize that gray, blue, white, and pink can go well together. And we have here at the bottom, it says Kamen Rider Nadeshiko, and the blurb and the movie logo, movie Megamax, and Bandai Collector Shop logo, Tamashii Nation's Bandai Kamen Rider Nadeshiko, all over. And if you have noticed, this window is very clear. There's no design, but they put some effort on the other areas of the box. We have a lot of stars because she is a superstar. And at the back, we can see more of Kamen Rider Nadeshiko and her infamous Uchukita pose, her own version. And let's open this and let's take a look on the Lady Kamen Rider. Of course, Kamen Rider Nadeshiko has her own rocket, with the lines slightly lighter than Kamen Rider Fourze. Unlike Kamen Rider Fourze, she has a humble number of hands for different poses that she did during the Megamax movie. As a Tamashii exclusive, she also came with a Tamashii stand, and printed on the base are hearts and stars and her silhouette to show her love for Kamen Rider Fourze. And last but not the least among the accessories, is another part that seemingly is out of place, but I'll explain that later how it works. Using the rocket is quite simple. It's just like what you do with Kamen Rider Fourze. There's this soft plastic that lays on her elbow, and you have to remove that and replace it with a smaller version of it. If you can remember, that accessory that is really off from the set is actually helpful in letting the whole rocket slide in without actually forcing it to be pegged on her arm. I know I will be getting weird questions like, can she wear some of Kamen Rider Fourze's modules? Yeah, I have this drill module here, and then let's just replace it with her leg. You can just take that one out and then insert that leg in. Or if you want to use one of the modules for Kamen Rider Nadeshiko, it's fine. You can definitely use those, but it will have weird gaps on Kamen Rider Nadeshiko. That's my thing. Her suit armor is just like the Japanese uniform. It's like a sailor type uniform. If you have noticed, especially on the accent here on the torso coming to her back. And then some of her articulation points would be the same thing, and she has a good range of motion because there are no hindrances whatsoever when it comes to bending the articulation points. We still have those double jointed knees, elbows, swiveling hand, and nice tilt on the head. Unlike Kamen Rider Fourze, she doesn't have those X and triangle spots on her arms or wrists and the ankle. So that's the difference between her and Kamen Rider Fourze. See, there's none here. And her belt is loose because on the movie she also wears a loose belt. Sometimes the belt tilts to one side, but it's okay. It doesn't really bother me at all. And you don't need even to bother with the switches falling off because it's molded in the belt. And the difference is she doesn't have that lever, just like what Kamen Rider Fourze has when he does limit breaks or henshins or transformations or so on and so forth. To top it off, Nadeshiko is wearing heels, so that's cool. As a first SH Figuarts Kamen Rider female Kamen Rider that came out of the said toy line, she is the first female with heels, so that's neat. The problem with having heels on Kamen Rider Nadeshiko is that it's difficult for her to stand up, so you really have to plant her feet on the ground on the flat surface And when it tilts, it doesn't tilt like other Kamen Riders, which you can just swivel from left to right. It goes on an angle like this. And if you are asking, can I move the foot towards you? Yes, you can, because this ankle accent here has a hinge, so you can flap that towards you and it lets you move the foot and the ankle just like any other Kamen Rider. And she has a smaller booster here to that effect, and you can really see the nice compound eyes with a pink color, so that's cool. And another accent here is what I see is a solar panel thing, grill thing going on here, or satellite or solar panel, it's up to you. Whatever you want to describe it, that's how I would describe it. Anyway, and there are grooves also on the neckline because she is also a student and an astronaut too, and I think she is worth it, waiting for this figure just to pair it with Kamen Rider Fourze. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much for watching, and see you